My day 10 English speaking practice. For my reading practice, I read a story, The Loyal Mongoose. It helped me learn new words. For my listening practice, I listened to an interview of Shah Rukh Khan. His interview was very amazing and I could understand his English easily. For my speaking practice and writing practice, I choose the same topic. My day yesterday. Speaking in front of mirror helped me become more confident while speaking. Writing practice helped me think more clearly and express my thoughts in a better way. Today, I also studied the past tense. It helped me understand how to use past tense in real conversation and daily speaking. I also gave me homework 60 Hindi sentences and translate them into English. It helped me to make translation easy Hindi to English. Lastly, I practiced 5 new vocabulary words and 5 verbs. This helped me understand how to use correct word and correct verbs form in different situations. And I can easily make sentences. I know I am improving step by step, and this journey is helping me become more confident in English every day. Thank you so much for watching and all the best for your preparation too. See you soon.